What's up?
What's up, guys?
It's 9 degrees outside.
No,
negative 9
Negative
degrees.
9 degrees outside.
Negative 9 degrees outside.
So we're gonna have a little bit of fun in the snow.
That's some hot water. Oh. That is so...
What?
Okay, I got a little one. It's such an awkward shape because it's on both
There we go.
sides. Look at it. Oh,
Look
that
at it
is
freezing over.
Whoa.
Oh, there it goes.
Look at that. Not even moving anymore. I'm gonna poke it.
Ooh, did you hear a crunch?
Listen to that. My finger is now inside of the hole.
Oh, it's gonna.
Oh, it's freezing in the air.
Oh my god.
Catch it with your hand. Catch it with your hand. Oh, shit. That was awesome.
That was sick.
It's like a machine gun.
I lost the cap. Found this cork. Shaved it down a little bit. Ooh. Wow. Wait. You're still way too close. Still too close. Stop. You shot me. Hot. It's hot and cold. Oh. You're.
Oh.
That was awesome.
Oh! Hurt my face.
Did it really land on your face?
Yeah, right on my lip. It was like a big clump of water.